Ever had your waffle come out crispy on one side and soggy on the other? Yeah, I've been there too, and that's exactly why finding the best flip waffle makers matters. These clever kitchen gadgets flip your batter evenly, giving you golden, restaurant-style waffles every time. After testing a few and making way too many breakfast messes, I've found some great options that really deliver, especially for busy mornings in US kitchens where quick, reliable appliances make a difference. You can check out the updated links with the best deals in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Novalife 1400-watt double Belgian flip waffle maker. If you love fluffy, golden waffles that cook evenly every time, the Novalife 1400-watt double Belgian flip waffle maker is a solid pick. I've used it on a few weekend mornings and it's fast, consistent, and surprisingly easy to handle. The 180-degree flip design really helps the batter spread evenly, giving that perfect, crispy outside, soft inside texture. I also like that it can make 2 large waffles at once, great for families or when you're hosting brunch. One of my favorite features is the adjustable browning control, which lets you choose exactly how dark or light you want your waffles. It's simple to use even if you're half awake on a Sunday morning. The non-stick plates and removable drip tray make cleanup quick, which honestly makes a huge difference for everyday use. The stainless steel body looks sleek and feels durable, though it's a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. At 1400 watts, it cooks fast and evenly, making it one of the best flip-style waffle makers for busy mornings. If you want crisp, cafe-style waffles without the hassle, this one's worth a look, especially if you prefer a best flip waffle maker with removable plates for easier cleaning. Number 4. Cuisinart Breakfast Express Flip Waffle and Omelet Maker. The Cuisinart Breakfast Express Flip Waffle and Omelet Maker is perfect for anyone who loves variety in their morning routine. I've used it on lazy weekends, and it's fun to switch between waffles and omelets without pulling out extra pans. The dual-sided design lets you make a Belgian waffle on one side while cooking an omelet, pancake, or even a grilled sandwich on the other. It saves so much time, especially when everyone wants something different. I like the 6 browning settings, which give full control over how crisp or soft your waffle turns out. The non-stick coating really helps. Food slides right off, and cleanup is quick with just a wipe. It's built from stainless steel, so it feels durable and looks sleek on the counter, though it's a bit heavy if you move it around often. At 1400 watts, it heats up fast and cooks evenly, which is great when you're making breakfast for a crowd. For me, it's one of the best flip-style waffle makers if you want both sweet and savory options in one appliance. While it doesn't have removable plates, it's still easier to clean than most models in this range. Number 3. Dash Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. The Dash Flip Belgian Waffle Maker is a small but mighty appliance that makes breakfast a breeze. I've used it on busy mornings, and it's perfect for single servings or quick family snacks. The rotating 180-degree flip design ensures waffles cook evenly, giving a crisp outside and soft, fluffy inside every time. Its compact size makes it easy to store, which is great for smaller US kitchens. I really appreciate the high-quality non-stick surface, which releases waffles effortlessly and makes cleanup quick. The dishwasher-safe drip tray is another time saver, especially when cooking for kids or a busy household. At 1000 watts, it heats quickly and cooks a 6.5-inch Belgian waffle in just minutes, making it ideal for weekday breakfasts or brunch gatherings. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and comes in a fun aqua color that adds a pop to the kitchen counter. While it's not built for large batches, it's perfect if you want a convenient, reliable, and efficient waffle maker. Overall, this model ranks as one of the best flip-style waffle makers on the market. Its ease of use, consistent results, and PFAS-free plates also make it an excellent choice for the best flip waffle maker with removable plates for easy cleaning and long-term use. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker 26031. The Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker is a fantastic choice if you're looking for thick, fluffy waffles without any fuss. I've been using it for a few weeks, and the easy flip design makes sure each waffle cooks evenly on both sides, giving that perfect golden brown crust and soft interior. The Durathon removable grids are a game changer. They're PFAS-free, ceramic-coated, and 4 times more durable than standard nonstick surfaces, so you don't have to worry about peeling or cracking. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe grids and drip tray. After cooking, I just let it cool, pop out the grids, and wash everything. No scrapping or scrubbing. The adjustable browning control is another favorite feature. You can go from light and fluffy to deep and crispy waffles without guesswork. At 800 watts, it's not the fastest waffle maker out there, but it delivers consistent results every time. The stainless steel body feels sturdy and gives it a professional, restaurant-style look. For U.S. households that value both quality and convenience, this model stands out as one of the best flip-style waffle makers. Plus, with removable plates, it's definitely one of the best flip waffle makers with removable plates for easy cleaning and long-term use. Number 1. Cuisinart Round Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. The Cuisinart Round Flip Belgian Waffle Maker WAF-F30NAS is one of my favorite kitchen tools for creating restaurant-quality waffles at home. I've been using it for weekends and occasional weekday breakfasts, and it never disappoints. The flip-style rotary operation ensures the batter spreads evenly, giving a perfectly cooked waffle with a crisp exterior and soft, fluffy interior. The waffles come out beautifully round and a full inch thick, which feels indulgent yet easy to manage. One feature I truly appreciate is the PFAS-free ceramic nonstick plate. It not only releases waffles effortlessly, but also makes cleanup a breeze. I no longer dread wiping sticky batter off the plates after cooking. The 5-setting browning control is another standout feature. I can adjust it from light and fluffy to dark and crispy, depending on my mood or what my kids prefer. The indicator lights for ready to bake and ready to eat are a small but handy touch, helping me avoid undercooking or overcooking, which happens more often than I'd like with other waffle makers. Overall, this model ranks as one of the best flip-style waffle makers on the market. Its ease of use, consistent results, and PFAS-free plates also make it an excellent choice for the best flip waffle maker with removable plates, combining convenience, performance, and reliability in one reliable appliance. Final verdict. After testing all 5 waffle makers, the Cuisinart Round Flip Belgian Waffle Maker clearly stands out as the best overall choice. Its flip-style operation, PFAS-free nonstick plates, and adjustable browning control deliver consistently perfect restaurant-quality waffles with minimal effort. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet durable option, the Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker is an excellent pick. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description for the best deals on all these machines.